This is a great story about Kiwi ingenuity. This is a Voltra made in Palmerston North. It's basically a Toyota landcruiser that's been gutted and replaced with batteries and motors and a very high-tech battery cooling system. It's for going in mines. We're going to take a look.
The mines are under a lot of pressure to clean up their underground air quality, and obviously it makes a lot of sense for confined spaces to have zero emissions. So we've spec'd this for about 150 kilometres on a charge. We've found with our previous vehicle, the rubbish compactor that we built 4 years ago, that the range, as we tuned it and as the battery pack balanced itself out, the range actually has crept up, and so we spec'd that initially also about 150 kilometres, and now it's quite capable of doing a bit over 200 kilometres, and yeah, it's going quite well.
Thanks very much. Wow, that's great to see that these are practical cars being made. They're not just city cars. This is going down a mine. I'll tell you what, next time I'm down a mine, I want to be in one of these instead of a smelly diesel.